Okay, so let's start. Today we are going to show you how to know your Wi-Fi password on Windows 11 or Windows 12. So first of all, what you have to do is first of all check are you either connected to a Wi-Fi or not. Yes, my laptop is connected. Now what you have to do is go to this Windows button. You can see it's on its start. You can right click on it and go to the third last option, that is run. Then this window pops up. Either you can get this window from a shortcut key, that is press Windows key and R button. You can see this window is again pop up. Now what is this saying? Type the name of a program, folder, document or internet resource and Windows will open it for you. So what we are going to type here, I have copied this text. You can also copy this, Control C, Control V. What is this? ncpa.cpf. Now press OK. Now this window pops up. It shows us network connections. If you are connected to Ethernet, you won't be able to know the password. You should be connected to a Wi-Fi device. So here my Wi-Fi device is named as Link SCO. I will go to this. Now there's a window pop-up showing Wi-Fi status. You can see connections, connectivity is an internet, no network access, media state, SSID is Link SCO, duration speed 57.8 Mbps, and don't go to any other option or don't press any of this. You can see the packages, sent and received speed. Just go to this wireless properties. Now here you can know that same or name Wi-Fi name is this Link SEO SSID. Don't either check or uncheck these options. Just go to this next tab, that is security. Now don't need to involve in any other button. Just you can see here network security key. This is your network security key. Okay, just you have to do is wait a second, show characters and your network security key will be shown to you. As you know, I am not doing this for you as it's private for everyone. So what you have to do, follow these simple steps and know your security key for your Wi-Fi, and you can either press OK or close. This was all from my side. If you have any question or any other new trick through which you can know or any shortcut through which